if you cannot afford to go for the Hajj, or you're not physically fit to perform the Hajj, then the Hajj is not farz for you. Now I know what people are going to say, that in spite of our shortcomings, it is a great desire of many Muslims to visit the Haramain Sharifain at least once in their lifetime. And I know some people around the world, they are Muslims who save up all their lives to perform the Hajj once, but they cannot go. The first thing you should do is make dua, invoke Allah, ask Him to help you, ask Him to make this path easy for you. And if you have not gone yet or never get to go, remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is everywhere. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. When my slaves ask of me, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that where am I? Tell them, Inni qareeb, I am very close to them. Ujibu da'watan da'i idha da'an. I will answer the dua, prayer and call of everyone who will call on me. So remember, if you don't go to his house, if you can't go there to him, he is there with you. That's not a small thing in itself. It's a great, great thing that he will answer every call. He will be with you all the time. So remember that, and maybe one day, inshallah, you and I get the chance to go there again.